Hello everybody, this is Biggie, and I'm in a situation right now that I don't have any power. I just got this really cool solar generator here, and it's got a big capacity. There should be, you can see the lines across, it's charged. Then I can come over here and I can find my light. That's my AC, right there lit up. There's my light. I can change the tones of it. And then I also have another light there. So now I've got light. The very next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at these accessories that I got. One's a charger, one's a cable, and then one's a handle that actually ties into this right here. So you can put it in there for you. And then the very next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in another light. So I've got a little more light on the subject, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and run this one. Oh. All right, here we go. Now we have USB. This is now lit up. And now I can turn it on. I can change the lighting on this particular light as well. So now we're running with everything going now. So I have the small light here, bulb going. Okay, the very next thing I'm gonna do, because it's getting a little chilly, I brought my heating blanket with me. So I'm going to plug this in next. Sorry about the terrible video, it's just me. So, and we're gonna plug this in. Right here. And what I really like about this power supply is that the plug is very nice and solid. It's got a really good plug in. A lot of them are really cheapy. This one is not. So now we have a bunch of lights going. Next thing we're gonna do is, excuse me, we're gonna plug that in there, and next I'm gonna hit AC. Now we're gonna take a look over here at the heating blanket. There we go. Heating blanket's on. Got all these other lights going. So now I'm gonna be okay. Not having power is not fun. But this is a really great way to go. This is a great solar generator. You can see that it's doing multiple things at once. You have several USBs and a C. You have different lights here, as I said. You've got 12 volt, 10 amp output, which is huge. And then you have your DC, and then you got your power button here. And you've also got your plug in here to charge it by solar. Excellent little unit. I'm really happy with everything about this, but again, for safety and security of the house when the power goes out, you've got a great little system here. This is Biggie checking out. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.